आजाद डिजिटल जिंदाबाद। बाबा जी छासागी तुमसे प्यार करती हूँ, बहुत मजेदार।
बाबा जी पिंजी लाहौर दप्पावा अख्तरलावा।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाज़रीन, आज़ाद डिजिटल के साथ मैं हूँ अवैस अली। नाज़रीन, आपने पाकिस्तान में पिछले काफ़ी दिनों से बहुत सारी नेगेटिव खबरें सुनी और बहुत सारी नेगेटिव खबरें देखी हैं, लेकिन आज आपको कुछ अच्छा दिखाते हैं। हम पाकिस्तान को किस नज़र से देखते हैं और दुनिया को दिखाते हैं, और फॉरेनर्स पाकिस्तान को किस नज़र से देखते और किस एंगल से दुनिया को दिखाते हैं। मेरे साथ इस वक्त दो फॉरेनर्स मौजूद हैं, एक रशिया से हैं और एक कजाकिस्तान से हैं। ये फूड व्लॉगर्स हैं, ट्रैवल व्लॉगर्स हैं। आइए ज़रा इनसे जानते हैं कि ये पाकिस्तान में क्यों है। सिर्फ मैं आपको एक चीज़ मेंशन करता हूँ कि दूसरी दफ़ा पाकिस्तान आए हैं। जब से ये पाकिस्तान आए हैं, ये कहते हैं कि पाकिस्तान की आवाम और यहाँ के फूड हॉस्पिटैलिटी ने हमारे दिल में ऐसा घर किया कि हमारा दिल ही नहीं चाहता कि हम वापस रशिया जाएं। तो आइए ज़रा इनसे बात करने की कोशिश करते हैं। थोड़ी बहुत उर्दू जानते हैं तो आपको थोड़ा बहुत कंप्रोमाइज़ करना पड़ेगा। अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
Walaikum assalam.
Dennis, tell me first of all, where are you from? What's your name, and why are you here in Pakistan?
Yes, my name is Denis. मेरा नाम Denis, and I'm from Russia. Basically, I'm from Kazakhstan, but my nationality, ethnicity, I'm Russian. So it's our second time in Pakistan. We love Pakistan. Pakistani people mihman nawaz, so it's like our second time. We want to stay maybe 1 year, maybe 2 years. Okay. Yes.
Okay, so Balnoor, what is your country and why are you here in Pakistan?
ओके, मैं कजाकिस्तान से हूँ। पाकिस्तान बहुत अच्छा लगा। तुमसे प्यार करती हूँ पाकिस्तान। And why we love Pakistan? Because Pakistan, we got so many expectations, like experience over here, that overload of our own like impressions from Pakistan. Like before coming to Pakistan, we knew not many things, as even if we learn from our history, from geography, or from our news in Kazakhstan, still it's not enough to explore the country. So that's why we ourselves came here to see the real image, real people's hospitality, because many people say Pakistan is very hospitable, and there are many Pakistani students in Kazakhstan who are doing their MBBS, who are studying as a doctor. So I have also many friends in Kazakhstan who are Pakistanis who offered us to come to Pakistan. So that's why we have so far very good experience, and we love it.
Okay, Balnoor, you are a content creator, and then tell me what type of content you create.
Okay, so we've been traveling for more than 3 years, and all this time we've been to 20 countries, and our main target is to create travel content. And as we are in Pakistan, Pakistan offers not only travel content but as well food content. There are so many types of food. It's so diverse. Like every province we visit, there are million types of food. Even some locals, they haven't tried the food that I show on my videos. Yeah. Let's say we've been to Sargodha and we tried some local food. We showed some local things in the streets. So some Sargodha local people, they write in the comments that even though being a local, they haven't seen that things. So as a content creator, I think that we have to show the real image, and we so far like everything here.
Okay, Balnoor, tell me, Pakistan is rich in culture, rich in history, and we have variety of foods. But what brings you in Pakistan? What attracts you more in Pakistan?
Okay, first of all, as we are human beings, the main concern for living is community. And as I see, there are so many good people, kind people, generous people, hospitable people in Pakistan. We choose to stay in Pakistan. This is the main thing that I love.
And what about food? You are a food vlogger. Then tell me, वो बहुत जो अच्छा खाना आपको लगा, वो कौन सा है?
अच्छा, मुझे बिरयानी अच्छा लगा, जी जलेबी अच्छा लगा, jalebi with milk. Then gulab jamun. I have very sweet tea, so I mean I like sweet desserts. And Pakistan is the land of so many desserts. I see a lot of people after having having hot meal, they go out to have sweet desserts. So I also love exploring sweet desserts. I love it. And from hot meals, I like chicken karai, mutton karai. Especially in Lahore, they have their authentic mutton karai. So yummy, मज़ेदार, चसागे.
ये जो क्वेश्चन था, ये बलनूर की ख्वाहिश पे था कि आपने जब भी मुझसे खाने का पूछना है, मुझसे उर्दू में पूछना है. तो बलनूर, कैन यू स्पीक उर्दू?
जी, मैं थोड़ी थोड़ी उर्दू बोलती हूँ. और मुझे उर्दू ज़्यादा.
Which phrases you learn in Pakistan?
Which phrase? Okay. So every country, every city I visit, I try to learn local phrases. Like in Lahore, they say, "Ji mein Lahore ne vikiya" or "Ji mein aaye ne," which means the person who haven't been to Lahore, that person was not born yet. So I love this phrase. And my husband knows very good phrase about Lahore. Maybe he can tell you later. And then I know the phrase, Babaji Chasagi. Because whenever I say this word in front of Punjabi people, they have fun of me. Like they like it when I say it. Then I like Bahut Mazaidar. I like Aaj Bahut Zyada Thanda Hai. It's very cold. Aaj bahut zyada garme hai, very very hot. Tumse pyar karti hu, I love you. Then ye mere shohar hai, uska naam Denise. Yeah, first introduction starts from this, so I try to learn some basic phrase.
So Dennis, tell me which phrases you love more or which phrases you learn in Pakistan.
Yes, because I have many friends from Pindi, so I know like Bawaji Pindi, and I know from Lahore da Pava, Akhtar Lava.
So you can say Lahore da Pava, Akhtar Lava with too much Josh energy.
Lahore da Pava, Akhtar Lava.
Okay, Dennis, tell me, आप उर्दू बोल सकते हैं?
Yeah, just Tora. Yes, I need to learn more. Maybe guys, if you are teacher, Urdu teacher, so you can teach us more.
अच्छा, can you say पाकिस्तान में मुझे कौन सा खाना सबसे ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा?
The same, repeat. Yes, I like because.
Can you say it? Can you tell me in Urdu? Okay, you can say मुझे जलेबी अच्छा लगा, मुझे बिरयानी बहुत अच्छी लगी.
मुझे काबुली पुलाव अच्छा लगा.
काबुली पुलाव, okay.
Yes, and chapli kebab मज़ेदार.
Okay.
Yes.
And what you can say about Pakistani people, hospitality, and if you travel in Pakistan, people welcome you or annoy you?
Yes, you know, in Pakistan, hospitality another level. Like we've been 20 countries, and Pakistan most hospitable country in the world. Yes, people, you know, like when we buy some food, so they say no money, it's free. You are like mehman nawaz. So yes, we love Pakistan.
So ये भी कह रहे हैं कि जब भी मैं कहीं भी जाता हूँ तो लोग मुझसे खाने के पैसे नहीं लेते. इवन यहाँ पे भी उनके साथ ऐसा ही हुआ. बलनूर, what message you give to foreigners, other peoples about Pakistan?
So the main message to our dear foreigners is don't always trust that you see on local TV channels because that is all about politicians and everything. That is a like worldwide game. Better, I suggest you guys to be open-minded and to feel free to travel to Pakistan. There are so many foreigners already staying here in Pakistan, enjoying their life. And as a foreigner, I greatly invite every foreigner to Pakistan. And from our side, we are now a part of Pakistan as well because the community accept us. It means that we also want to do good things to Pakistani community. By that, we want to show hospitality of Pakistan to other foreigners. So I just welcome every foreigner to Pakistan.
Can you say Azaad Digital Zindabad?
Azaad Digital Zindabad.
सो नाज़रीन, क्योंकि इनका ताल्लुक रशिया से और काज़िकिस्तान से है तो इनको इंग्लिश भी बहुत कम आती है, तो हमने कोशिश की इनसे बात करने की. अब आप ये देखेंगे पाकिस्तानी जो है पाकिस्तान को किस नज़र से देखते हैं और फॉरेनर्स पाकिस्तान को किस नज़र से और किस एंगल से दुनिया को दिखाते हैं. तो अब आपने फैसला करना है कि आपने पाकिस्तान का पॉजिटिव फेस, पॉजिटिव इमेज दुनिया को दिखाना है या फिर यहाँ की अफरा तफरी दुनिया को दिखानी है. क्योंकि मैं इस चीज़ पर कायम हूँ कि पाकिस्तान सबसे पहले. तो अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिएगा और इस मैसेज के साथ कि अल्लाह निगहबान और सबसे पहले पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद.